Amid the sweeping tide of global energy transition, photovoltaic PV power is reshaping the world's energy landscape with tremendous momentum. Hongwei PV, leveraging innovative portable energy solutions, lights up every power application scenario. Stepping into Hongwei PV Park, PV-themed elements are visible throughout the premises. The headquarters building, which carries the company's R&D mission, also fosters ambitious visions for industrial advancement. The honor wall is inscribed with milestones marking the company's growth, while the office area buzzes with the team's passion for innovation. From the initial stages of R&D and design to the entire production and manufacturing process, the Hongwei team has always upheld the spirit of craftsmanship. Guided by a commitment to close collaboration and bold innovation, they continuously overcome technical barriers and develop a range of tailored power solutions.
Hongwei 始终以技术创新为核心，从原料甄选到成品出厂，我们严格把控每一道工序，致力于为全球用户提供更高效、更可靠的户外移动用电解决方案。
宁波宏伟光伏华南营销中心立足深圳，聚焦珠三角、闽南等核心区域，便携光伏应用需求，提供本地化对接服务，全方位助力区域项目提速，为华南绿色能源注入强势新动力。
After a decade of dedicated efforts, Hongwei has achieved a steady accumulation and subsequent breakthrough growth. Focused on the portable solar energy sector, Hongwei PV has made a leap forward. From single product category to diversified product portfolio, and from meeting performance benchmarks to pursuing premium quality. Automated equipment guarantees component precision, while multiple rounds of re-inspection uphold quality standards, ensuring every portable solar panel boasts the durability to stand the test of market and time. Hongwei PV, pioneer of portable energy solutions.